Hello students, this is Mohammad Yusuf Sheikh Amir, lecturer in Civil Engineering Department, Gramin Polytechnic, Vishnupuri, Nanded. In this lecture, we have started a video lecture series on concrete technology that includes some theory concepts and some practical knowledge that will be utilized for the students. For this purpose, we have started a video lecture series. In this, that will be that subject is with the start of concrete technology. That concrete technology subject that is introduced in third semester of diploma in civil engineering and in second semester of civil engineering subjects, especially in degree. So that subject is very much important to learn for the civil engineers as well as for practitioners. So in this subject we will going to start a video lecture on concrete chapter. In this video lecture we will going to cover some of the topics which are related on the cover the concrete outcomes from this topic. So these are the various outcomes of topic that will be beneficial for the students to get the knowledge about, to ensure the quality of fresh concrete, different operation involving concreting, to carry out various tests on concrete and to design concrete mix. So these are the points that will be included in the concrete: definition of concrete, necessity of supervision for concrete operation, grades of concrete, significance of water cement ratio, properties of fresh and hardened concrete, concrete mix design and testing of concrete. In this lecture we will going to convert the points, especially definition of concrete, necessity of provision for concrete operation and grades of concrete. So let us to move towards about introduction to concrete. As you know that the concrete is nowadays mostly widely used in the world. After consumption of water, you are seeing that the use of concrete is there. That's why it is very necessary to learn about the concrete and to get the perfect knowledge about concrete technology. So concrete is capable of doing many things, which is considered a construction material which can be prepared, cast on site, and that will be molded into any desired shape. If the reinforcement is provided in the form of steel bars, it becomes RCC or reinforced cement concrete, which is being used for more than 70% construction going on the surface of earth. Before to that, you must know the definition of concrete. So it is a very simple definition. It is consist of cement, sand, aggregate and water with prescribed proportion, which sets, hardens and acquires strength over a period of time with sufficient curing. We have some animated video for that one, and that will be give various they will define the
composite material composed of binder, that is cement or lime, fine aggregates, that is sand, and coarse aggregates mixed with water, which hardens with time. The fine aggregates fill the voids of coarse aggregates, and the voids of the fine aggregates are filled with the binder. This binder reacts with water and binds the aggregate and forms a complex matrix. This composite form is called the concrete.
So after concreting, there are some operations that will involve in concreting work, that will involve from the availability of ingredient of concrete, their storage and handling, then batching, volume and weight batching, mixing, manual and machine mixing, transporting, placing, compacting, curing and finishing. So these are the various operations that will involve in total concreting work, that you have to learn in very detail one by one in this lecture. So here these are the very important points that will be included in concrete technology subject also. So these points will be going to cover in the next lectures in the series that we have started now. So I have some animated video for that one with various operations involved in concreting work are there. Now there are some necessity and supervision is required for concreting operations. As I have told you that the concrete is the most widely used material in the world. That's why it requires greater supervision for various concreting operations. That include for mixing correct proportion of ingredients while during the batching, for ensuring that concrete does not set or harden before placing it in formwork. You should check out water cement ratio to achieve target strength. You have to also check correct way and correct amount of compaction. You have to cure it very properly, and also for producing of good quality of concrete you have to maintain quality control over the work. So these are the various necessity that required for concreting operation that have discussed in the earlier slide. After that there are some different grades of concrete as per IS 456. Actually there's different grades of concrete has been classified depending upon the compressive strength. So we will going to learn this one. So what are the grades of concrete according to IS 456 2000? So actually the concrete is strong in compression and weak in tension. Depending upon that, the concrete has been classified according to considering the grade of concrete by a compression. The grade of concrete is measured by standard compression test on concrete tubes of 150 mm. So M10, M20, M30, you are seeing that there are various standards. M refer for max, and 20 that indicates characteristic compressive strength FCK expressed in megapascal. That characteristic that is called as, it is defined as the strength of material below which not more than 5% results are expected to fail. That has to be considered. in this point. So for suppose if you want to calculate the characteristic compressor, take 20 samples of concrete cube. Test results, suppose you are getting 27.3, 25.4, 26.9. so that is arranged in the increasing order 20 results. If you are getting one of the result which is below 25.1, that is 23.8, that means your expected results that should fall below 25. That's why your characteristic compressive strength and grade of concrete that has to be considered as M25, and that which is equal to FCK is equal to 25. Types of concrete that is classified as high strength concrete above M60, and standard strength concrete M25 to M55, and normal strength concrete M10 to M20. So these are the various grades of concrete. This has been classified based on the compressive strength of concrete that has to be included. So these are the various standard concrete mix, high strength concrete. These are the some expected questions from this video lecture, especially define concrete, what are the operations involved in concreting work, state necessity of supervision for concrete operations, state different grades of concrete as per provision of IS 456. So this is cover some of the points. So today in this lecture, video lecture, we have covered about the definition of concrete, introduction of concrete, their necessity, supervision of work, and various grades of concrete and various concreting operations we have learned. In the next lecture we will going to learn about some another point, that is segregation, bleeding, concrete mix design. We will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.